Hello travelers, I'm Kimi and I'm Kari and we are off to Tortola today. Yep, we're out here on our veranda and we're watching us turn into Tortola. Yay! Alright guys, so we are heading into Tortola this morning on the Disney Fantasy. It is day 4 and this is our first time going to Tortola in the British Virgin Islands. And we're just waiting for the virtual queue. It opens up at 6:30 and we get off the ship at 7:30. All you have to do for the virtual queue is open up your Disney Experience app and it just says the ship at 6:30. It will have this little button, join queue. So it's right there on the first page. So hopefully we'll see how it goes. It'll be our first time doing it. And this is just for crowd control to get off the ship. And we're just going to explore Tortola today. Let's go. Nothing's happening. Learn more. Nothing's happening. I'm assuming that's supposed to light up green or blue to click it. Yeah. Okay everybody, we're at the top deck watching us pull in. And we're still waiting on the virtual queue. It's 6:40. It's 6:40. Nothing's happening in the app. We're just taking in the beautiful view. Trying to get some pictures as we pull in. And hopefully we'll be ashore very soon. Okay guys, I just refreshed the page. I got group 7. And yeah, it's working now. Here's what it looks like. It's going on 7 o'clock and we're just pulling in to Tortola. Alright, we're going to start off in cabanas again for breakfast. Alright, and these are the different drinks that they offer here on board. And then you've got juice over here and coffee. Got some of the usual here for breakfast. Waiting on the Mickey waffles. The TJ's plate. And Kimi's plate. Let's eat. Alright, the Mickey waffles came. Yay! Alright everyone, we just finished breakfast and our group was just called. I got a little text message and then if you go to the home page you'll see this. And it says view ticket and says that you can go ashore and that it's your turn. And green for go. Okay, and here's the message they gave us. It tells you which gangway to go to. So we're going to deck 1 midship. They started getting everybody off at 7:30, so it went pretty quick for our turn. And sorry, the camera is fuzzy. There we go. Alright guys, we're stepping off the Tortola. Yay, we made it! We are on Tortola. I keep saying it wrong. Pardon me if I say Tortola a lot today. Kimi! Kimi! Hello vlogger. Disney Fantasy. Right, and the front of the Fantasy has Sorcerer Mickey. Tortola. Just walk off the ship. There's a little sign right there if you want a picture.
So you can get through
We're just cutting
text
through
stream.
and looking at the different shops.
And then if you're
gonna walk around and check it out. Don't have much planned today.
Say in San Francisco, there's no porch. There's no porches a lot of places.
There's the ship. Walking down. All the shops are closed. We're just wandering around. Aren't we, Kimi? Just wandering around. Everything's closed. And here's the little shop. Just a little shop. Like some little Christmas ornaments. These are like $28. This is $35. This turtle here is $20, just to give you guys an idea of pricing. And here's some magnets that are going for about $8. Alright, we're in another little shop over here. Some beautiful shells. Some keychains that you could turn into a Christmas ornament if you want. They're a little cheaper. This is $8. But they say Tortola on them if you guys are looking for something that says Tortola. A little magnet here, little turtle, and a shell that says Tortola. Okay guys, so it was a little disappointing over there. Nothing was really open yet. It's still really early. There's only 2 little shops open. And so we're just gonna head back on the ship for a little bit and then come back out and when the shops open up, and then we'll check out more stores on port here, but we're just gonna head back on the ship since nothing's open yet. And look who we found, Donald and Daisy. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay guys, so here's what's going on. We got off on port at 7:45, yes, and there were only 2 shops open right there, and everything else you had to take a taxi, shuttle, or ferry boat to, but a lot of things are like closed, yeah. Or you have to do the excursions on Disney, but everything was canceled, I think.
Or sold out.
Or sold out, or it got canceled, and there's only like 1 or 2 going out. So we're kind of just stuck at port here in Tortola.
Yes.
Tortola. So that's what's going on there.
Yeah. So we're trying to enjoy the ship, but there's not a lot of trivia going on quite this early, and we're waiting for the AquaDuck to open.
Yep.
And it's closed.
Yep. And we're just waiting around. Some more characters about to come out. We just met Donald and Daisy, and then hopefully like in an hour or 2, we think more shops are going to open up on Tortola, like the port area. So we're going to get back off. Hopefully find a Christmas ornament or something, then get back on it and enjoy the rest of the day here with the pools, and then we got more stuff for the night. Fireworks and pirate night.
Yes. Yes. And now my arm is tired.
Okay. Let's go see who's out on the funnel over here. More characters. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yes, it's Donald and Daisy and Timmy now. Yay! We've been waiting for you guys in this spot. Yes! I'm so excited. Okay. Put my stuff down. Put my stuff down. Yay! Okay, Chip and Dale are out at the funnel. I'd hang out with them all day if I could. Right? Oh, they're doing the wave. Oh yeah, very nice. Yeah, this is so cute. Working at all the stops this morning. Guys, aren't they just the cutest? Get to sit here and watch them all morning. The little tails. So cute. Alright guys, so we're next to the other cruise ship over here, and all these people are just lined up here just watching Chip and Dale, because you know they're the best. You know they wish they were over here on a Disney cruise. We'll see you tonight for Pirate Night. Are you coming out? Okay? Okay, Pirate Night. See you there! Alright guys, we're getting off the ship. Round number 2. And it is hot out today, isn't it, Kimi? Hot. Is it hot out?
It's hot.
It is hot. It's very hot. Look at, there's more people. It's more lively now. Oh, it is hot. Alright, we're gonna go back out and see if any more shops are open for a souvenir. And then we're just gonna get back on the ship, I guess. Alright guys, some more shops opened up, so we're gonna take a look in here. Again, we just got off the ship and just walked right through, so it's really easy to find. Alright, so here's the store. And then there's a Christmas tree here with some ornaments. guess these aren't for sale. Everything is just food in here. Okay. So right by the sign here, there's a little visitor center where you can get a map. And then in this little box area here down the road is just the shopping. Everything else you have to pretty much take a taxi, shuttle, or a ferry boat, or do an excursion to get to. We got just a few little souvenirs, and we're gonna head back on the ship. Guys, we changed our mind. We're gonna go right over here and take some photos out here, and then we'll get back on the ship. You know, we gotta have that picture. Right, there's the Disney Fantasy. It's a nice little picture spot over here. Alright guys, they're playing Hercules! Yes! On the funnel vision. Hercules! Alright, so this is how it works for the pool. They do have it roped off except for one entrance and exit on the side there, so they can just keep count of how many people are in the pool, and they'll let you know if it's too full or not. If you're waiting in line, they'll just let you in when other people get out. But yeah, we're just finishing up Hercules over here. And AquaDuck will open up soon. Alright guys, it is day 3 here on Tortola. Chilling by the funnel vision, watching Hercules in the pool. The water feels so good because it's so hot outside today. It's so hot. Help me! This kid behind us is freaking out. He's never seen Hercules before. He's hilarious.
Why does it have to be a boy?
Alright, this is the Aqua Lab. And this is where the AquaDuck is. Over here, there's the AquaDuck. And that's Aqua Lab. Finally found Pluto. Hi, Goofy. Hello, good morning. Hi, Pluto. Of course.
Oh, look at you, like a model.
Alright guys, Lilo and Stitch is now on. Goofy and Pluto are right over there. It's almost time for the AquaDuck to open up. They did open up the Mickey pool over here finally. It's been a slower morning, but I love the characters up there by the funnel. Those make the best pictures. Disney, if you're listening, keep that spot for pictures. Oh, look, y'all can see Pluto. He's gonna be walking. Yeah, Pluto. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Guys, look, they were dancing to the music and now they're just trying to chill and watch the movie with us. Alright, there's Kari. She's waving. Here she comes. There she goes. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see, but Stitch is right over there. And Lilo and Stitch is playing on the funnel vision. Guys, Chippendale. I'm getting distracted, Kimi. You and DJ better hurry up on that AquaDuck because I'm getting distracted by Chippendale over here. This would be a good spot for a picture because they're by Tortola. Hello. I'm waiting for my sister. She's on the AquaDuck. Yes, but you better hurry up because I'm getting distracted now by my friends. Hello. She's gonna be jealous when she sees us down here without her. Yeah?
Have you been on the AquaDuck?
Oh yeah. Yes, yes. I just went, yes. I do. When she comes down here, we'll get one. Very nice, very nice. Yes. Yep, yep. And we went off on Tortola for a little bit. Yes. Can I get a picture of you two in front of there? Bye.
He's unconscious, but I think he's alive.
Alright guys, we did some pool time, AquaDuck, and went back to Flo's for lunch. Got the chicken sandwich, some pineapple and grapes. Kimi got a hot dog pizza and some fruit. There's the funnel vision, Lilo and Stitch just finished playing. And all the characters have just been kind of walking around the deck. It's been really fun. Oh, we just keep running into characters. Hi Goofy! Hello, hello!
We were gonna go play
Goofy golf.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come play with us.
Oh, he's giving us pointers. Okay, I got you, I got you. I'm watching. Lesson 1. Keep your eye on the ball. 2. Oh no! That's okay. What? Sure. All right, so we're back up here at Goofy Golf. We just saw Goofy and Pluto, and Goofy gave us some pointers, so let's see if it helps us. Ooh, Kimi almost had a hole-in-one.
We just got changed and we're just gonna take a few pictures and then we're gonna go just do some trivias.
What is the name of Thor's new battle axe weapon? How does Yondu control the Yaka arrow?
Alright guys, it's time for another Disney's Ultimate Trivia.
Welcome to Ultimate Disney Trivia! Woo! So much better. Hi there guys, my name is Sammy.
Alright guys, we just won trivia. We had to do a tiebreaker and we won! Yay!
DJ won Marvel Trivia.
So the Marvel Trivia and the Ultimate Disney Trivia overlap. So DJ started doing Marvel Trivia and then we started the Ultimate. DJ won the Marvel Trivia. He got 24 out of 25 and
We got 25 out of 25 for
with
the
the
Ultimate.
and with the tiebreaker.
And then there was a tiebreaker.
Yeah.
And we still won.
Yay!
Yay!
All right, so we're off.
More luggage tags, still no Mickey medals.
No Mickey
And
medals.
another keychain.
Yeah.
So we're gonna count these as our Mickey medals. Just out walking around deck 4 here, and they're testing out the lifeboat. We've got Mickey and Minnie and Donald and Goofy all in their pirate outfits already, and it's only 3:25. All right.
Welcome aboard. Let's go. Let's go. I had trouble with the twins. Yes. But I'm gonna tell.
I'm just gonna say this is Milky. She's on the Fantasy and she's a wonderful cleaner.
Yes,
And
she's been getting everything clean.
Yes, and we love having her aboard.
Welcome
So-
aboard, everyone.
If you see her, say hello and say the twins sent you to say hello to her.
Yes. Yay! Thank you. It's pirate night and Kimmy's Disney bounding Mr. Smee. Kari's in her pirate outfit. And we saw the characters downstairs in their pirate outfits, so we had to change so we could take our pictures with them. Alright, so now Chip and Dale are out here in their pirate costumes. Captain Hook and Mr. Smee are out here. We're gonna go get our pictures taken with them.
Hello, Smee.
Hello, Captain Hook.
You're now his new favorite person.
Yeah. It's Chip and Dale, yes! Hello, hello, we're back again!
Back again.
Love your pirate outfits.
Of course, you got them.
Yeah. Alright, can we get a picture? So we're just hanging out in the lobby waiting for the characters to switch. Got Mickey and Minnie, Chip and Dale, Captain Hook and Smee, and Donald and Goofy have been rotating out with them. Hello, hello.
We're waiting for you.
We're waiting for you. Hello, Goofy. Hello, Donald. We had to come see you in your pirate outfit. Ooh, very nice. Let me get a, yeah.
Oh, the socks match your shirt.
Oh, yeah.
That's perfect.
Your feathers in your hat too.
I know, isn't it nice?
Yes.
It's a nice hat.
Yeah.
Donald's got very nice too. Very nice, Donald. Yes.
Are you showing us your tail feathers?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, no.
Not bad.
Oh, yeah, Minnie's got.
Uh-oh, Minnie. You better watch out.
You're gonna give us hers?
Oh, I think it might be, you know, like built into the statue. Goose. No, it's okay. Goofy. How about this? How about this? Why don't you ask Minnie, because she's got plenty. We'll have to ask her, all right? And then we'll get you some feathers. Perfect.
Perfect.
Peacock feathers.
There's AJ up there talking to Mickey and Minnie. Alright, we're back in the pub for some 3D crafts. This is the Pascal. We did this one on the Magic, but we'll do it again. We got some time before the movie tonight. Alright guys, we're all finished. Alright guys, we came back out on the deck and look who's out here watching Funnel Vision, watching Princess and the Frog, Chip and Dale. Get ready for Pirate Night. Oh, he's eating some gumbo.
Alright, fine.
The first week
Hi guys. Hello.
You're in my world now, not your world.
Oh.
Got friends on the other side.
Alright guys, so we are in the Walt Disney World Theater right now, and it's not a Broadway show tonight. They're showing the movie Enchantio here, and then it's pirate dinner, and then the fireworks for Pirate Night. Gotta love me some Chip and Dale. Whoop whoop! We just saw the movie in the theater, and there's Chip and Dale. It is Pirate Night. Everybody's dressed up. There's Donald and Daisy finally came out. Does he have a Yago? Love it. Hi Donald. Hi Daisy. Thank you. Alright guys, tonight we're eating at Animator's Palette for Pirate Night. So it's the pirate menu. They're all changed in their pirate outfits. And there's Jeffrey. All decked out for Pirate Night on the screen. Yes, thank you. Alright guys, so we've got our bandanas. They don't leave them in the room anymore. They leave them on the table for you at dinner. Here we go. Here is our bread for tonight. All the screens have changed tonight. Alright, starting off with the salad from the kids menu. And DJ got some
Cream of chicken soup from the kids menu.
Alright, so I've got the jerk chicken and
I got sirloin steak, right?
Sirloin shrimp.
Alright, so we're making our way through this dinner, and we're trying to leave room because we're going to try to do the room service tonight.
You got
Okay, here comes yours.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, here's our dessert. I got a cheesecake and Mickey bar. And you have the...
Rum-soaked chocolate cake.
Alright, and another Mickey bar. Alright, I got the bananas in paradise and a Mickey bar. It's a pirate's life for me. The game, I think.
The wheel of destiny!
Alright guys, just came back to the room and this is what is on our bed tonight for pirate night. And they still give out the gold pirate coins of chocolate.
And we're gonna do a quick wardrobe change because tonight is fireworks, but it's Christmas theme, not pirate theme. So we're gonna get some Christmas outfits.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to the top deck here for fireworks tonight. It is not the pirate show fireworks. It is a Very Merrytime Cruise fireworks that they just started doing this year. And they changed all the lights to red and green. And I think they're going to be shooting off this way, so we're going to be standing over here. They do have the markers down for families to stand so that people can stay separated while on board watching the fireworks.
Which I kind of like because it usually gets pretty crowded up here, but we have a little while. This is the crowd level of fireworks that are 10:30 and it's 9:50, so we have a little bit of time. Alright everybody, so we got our cruise line spirit jerseys on that we haven't got to wear yet. And then I got the Mickey lights at our Disney store for $3 on clearance a couple years ago. Finally get to use them. Disney Cruise Line. So I bought the Christmas one online as well the other year. So yeah, we both have that on. We don't normally match this much, but I got the same thing. See?
Alright guys, we're about to watch the Maritime fireworks. Cast members down there acting out the song.
Says it's almost time to set them off. So keep the merriment going. And away we go. Up, 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 where the reindeer fly, where Santa's magic showers the sky.
Okay guys, we just came back from our Christmas fireworks deck party and we found that we had some goodies. Oh. Thank you. We got pixie dusted. Alright, thank you guys.
Alright guys, we finally did it. We finally ordered some room service. Let's have a look. Oh yes, I've got the tomato soup. Hot. DJ got the baked macaroni and cheese.
Alright, we got chocolate chip cookies and milk. We got the grilled cheese.
Yes.
Give that a little spin.
Yes. To go with my tomato soup. I didn't know it came with chips, but it came with chips. And cake of the day. This is the chocolate brownie. There's 2 cakes of the day. Something else was orange. And we decided to go with the chocolate brownie. Oh, look at that. You guys are on the room service tray right now. And we're using it as the stand for the camera. Yeah, very good. Alright guys, so it's been a fun-filled day here at Tortola.
Yep, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want to keep going on adventures with us twins.
Yes. And we will see you next time. Bye, travelers!